Hi everyone, Brian here from the Protocase team. Today we're going to compare standard nuts and blind nuts. Our mission at Protocase is to help you and your team keep your projects moving. To meet your critical deadlines, you need your designs manufactured quickly and in the exact quantity you need, even if that's just a single part. That's why we work with more than 16,000 engineers, innovators, and scientists all over the world. Self-clinching fasteners are one of the most useful hardware components at your disposal for sheet metal enclosures and parts because they solve all kinds of challenges for mounting components. Plus, they're incredibly secure and look sleek thanks to their compact design and low profile. Now, when I say self-clinching fastener, I mean any kind of fastener that's mechanically pressed into metal, becoming a permanent part of the panel, enclosure, or bracket. You may hear self-clinching fasteners called PEMs. This comes from the brand name of Penn Engineering, which is the world's leading brand of fasteners. PEM brand self-clinching fasteners is a trademark of Penn Engineering. There are many different styles and types of self-clinching fasteners. We've got a great overall guide to self-clinching fasteners as well as Proto Tech tips about specific types. Those are linked below. For today's Proto Tech tip, I wanted to specifically focus on standard nuts and blind nuts. A self-clinching nut is a fastener with a threaded hole that's mechanically pressed into metal. Then, you can use the nut's threaded hole to insert a screw, stud, or bolt. These nuts do not provide any type of enclosing, but have an open hole that the bottom of the screw would stick out from. These do not provide any protection from the outside environment. Now, on the flip side, we have blind nuts. As opposed to a standard nut, which does not encapsulate your threads, a blind nut's shape covers the thread of the fastener that you insert into the nut. The great part about these fasteners is it provides great protection from the outside environment. It also protects your internal components from the intrusion of screws. It is important to use this style of nuts when you're trying to seal up your enclosure. So there you have it. Think of the blind nut as the fancier version of the standard nut, almost like the nut is wearing a little top hat. A blind nut will encapsulate your threads in order to provide a better seal in your design. You can learn more about self-clinching fasteners by watching our Proto Tech Tip playlists about fasteners, or by checking out our website. We've got a full directory of what we stock for your custom manufacturing. Ready to get your design quoted? Contact your Protocase account manager directly, or use our Request a Quote form on our website. Thanks very much for watching this week's Proto Tech Tip. We'll be back next week with a new one.